This is the IELTS Speaking Mock Test, taking place at Ielts-Practice Test Resources. The candidate is Ananya Sharma. Candidate number 01944555728. The examiner is Jack Watson. Examiner number 158733. I'll be your examiner today. Good afternoon. My name is Jack Watson. Could you please tell me your full name?
Good afternoon. My name is Ananya Sharma.
Thank you, Ananya. Can I see your identification, please?
Yes, sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Now, in this first part, I'd like to ask you some general questions about work and careers. What kind of job would you like to do in the future?
I'd really like to work in a creative field. Probably something related to media or communication. I enjoy interacting with people and expressing ideas. So I think a job like that would suit my personality quite well.
Do you prefer working alone or in a team?
Honestly, I prefer a balance of both. Working alone helps me focus deeply, but teamwork allows people to exchange ideas and solve problems more effectively.
What jobs are popular among young people in your country?
Nowadays, many young people are interested in IT jobs, digital marketing, content creation, and government positions. Social media has also influenced career choices a lot, so creative professions are becoming more popular than before.
Do you think job satisfaction is important?
Absolutely. I think people spend such a huge portion of their lives working, so if they don't enjoy what they do, it can affect their mental health and overall happiness.
Thank you. Now we will move to part 2. I'm going to give you a topic. You will have 1 minute to prepare, and then you should speak for 1 to 2 minutes. You can make notes if you wish. All right, your preparation time is over. Please begin.
A job that I personally find extremely interesting is the job of a wildlife photographer. I've always admired people who travel to remote forests and natural environments to capture animals in their natural habitat. I think it's one of those professions that combines creativity, adventure, patience, and environmental awareness all at once. A wildlife photographer's main responsibility is to photograph animals, birds, and landscapes, often in unpredictable situations. They sometimes spend hours or even days waiting quietly just to capture a single perfect shot. Besides photography, they also need to study animal behavior and understand nature quite deeply. In terms of skills, I believe patience is probably the most important one. Apart from that, they need technical photography skills, physical fitness, and the ability to work under pressure because conditions in forests or mountains can be difficult. The reason I find this job so fascinating is because it's very different from a typical office job. It allows people to explore the world and connect with nature. Also, wildlife photography can raise awareness about endangered species and environmental issues, so in a way, it contributes to society as well. Another thing I admire is the storytelling aspect of photography. A single, powerful image can emotionally affect millions of people without using any words. So yes, I think being a wildlife photographer would be both exciting and meaningful.
Thank you. Now let's move to part 3. Why do some people choose unusual careers?
I think many people choose unusual careers because they want personal fulfillment rather than just financial stability. Some individuals are passionate about creativity, travel, sports, or social causes, so they prefer careers that align with their interests and values.
Do you think salary is the most important factor in choosing a job?
Salary is definitely important because people need financial security. However, I don't think it's the only factor. Work environment, growth opportunities, work-life balance, and personal satisfaction also matter a great deal. A high-paying job without happiness can eventually become exhausting.
How has technology changed modern jobs?
Technology has transformed almost every profession. Many tasks are now automated, communication has become faster, and remote work has become more common. At the same time, technology has also created entirely new industries, especially in areas like artificial intelligence, digital media, and online education.
Do you think young people today change jobs more often than before?
Yes, definitely. Earlier generations usually stayed in one profession for decades, but today, young people value flexibility and personal growth more. If they feel unhappy or stuck, they are more willing to switch careers and explore new opportunities.
Thank you, Ananya. That is the end of your speaking test.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching this Band 8.5 IELTS Speaking Mock Test. If you want more cue card videos with different band levels, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to IELTS Practice Test Resources.